I was beautiful. Men wanted me everywhere I went. I married the most handsome man. Everyone said we were perfect. But he destroyed me. Then he left me for a younger woman. I was alone, broken, a single mother with no hope. But what happened next changed everything I believed about love, beauty, and what men really want. My name is Regina, and this is the truth nobody tells you about relationships. Act 1. The Perfect Trap. When I was young, I had everything. Long hair, slim body, pretty face. I felt powerful. At 22, I married Paul. Tall, strong, handsome. Everyone was jealous. But after marriage, Paul changed completely. Regina, you're getting fat. I wasn't, but I went on a diet anyway. Regina, why don't you dress better? I bought expensive clothes, spent all my money on beauty. It was never enough. Never. At 30, I got pregnant. I was so happy. Finally, we would be a real family. But pregnancy changed my body. Paul stopped touching me. You're not attractive anymore, he said. I tried everything, ate very little, exhausted myself trying to look perfect again. Then one day, I found him with another woman, younger, prettier. Why, Paul? I tried so hard. I did everything for you. His words broke me. You're boring, Regina. No personality, just a pretty face. And now you're not even pretty. He left. I was alone with my baby daughter, falling into depression. Act 2. Survival mode. My daughter Margot became my only reason to live. She needed me. Years passed. I stopped caring about beauty. No time, no money, just survival. Work, home, Margot. That was everything. When Margot was 5, she got very sick. I rushed to the hospital at night, terrified. The doctor checked her. He was about 40 years old. His name was Charles. She'll be okay. Just a bad flu, but she needs rest. I started crying from relief. Charles said something strange. You're a good mother. You ran here in the middle of the night. You're exhausted, but all you care about is your daughter. Nobody had seen me like that before. Just seen me. 2 weeks later, Margot got sick again. Same doctor. Hello again. What happened this time? She ate too much ice cream. Charles laughed. Ah, the dangerous ice cream disease. I smiled. It felt strange. I hadn't smiled in so long. One day, Charles asked me for coffee. My heart jumped, but fear came too. I don't think that's a good idea. Why not? Look at me. I'm not young, not beautiful. I have a child. I have problems. You can find better. Charles looked at me seriously. Regina, do you know what I see? I see a strong woman, a loving mother. Real is not enough. Men want beautiful. Some men want beautiful. Those men are fools. Beautiful fades. Everyone gets old, gets wrinkles, but a good heart stays forever. I didn't believe him, but I agreed to coffee anyway. I wore my best dress, put on makeup, tried to look pretty. At the coffee shop, Charles looked sad. What's wrong? You're wearing a costume. This is not the real you. The real you is beautiful because she's honest. Tears filled my eyes. Nobody ever said that before. My husband said I was boring, no personality. Then your husband was blind. Regina, do you know what made me notice you? Not your face or body. It was the way you love your daughter, the way you do anything for her. That kind of love, that's the most beautiful thing in the world. My heart beat fast. Someone finally saw me. Act 4. Charles's story. We talked for 3 hours. I told him everything, my failed marriage, my fears. He just listened, no judgment. Then Charles shared his story. I was married before too. My wife was very beautiful, like a model, but I was lonely. Every day I came home to a beautiful stranger. She cared about parties, clothes, other people's opinions, but not about me. When I was sad, she told me to smile. When I was tired, she said I was boring. I felt alone even when she was next to me. So I promised myself, next time I want a real woman, a woman who laughs when she's happy, cries when she's sad. He looked at me, a woman like you. But I have so many problems, Charles. I have a child, no money, I'm not. Stop, Regina. Stop listing reasons why you're not good enough. We dated for 1 year. Charles and Margot loved each other. One day, Margot asked, Mama, do you love Charles? Yes, I do. Does he love you? I think so. Then why doesn't he live with us? Good question. That night, I asked Charles the same thing. He looked into my eyes. Because I'm waiting, Regina. I'm waiting for you to believe you deserve love. You still don't believe it. You still think I'll leave. He was right. I was terrified. It took 6 months. 6 months of Charles showing me every day that he loved me. Finally, I believed it. Charles proposed on a Tuesday. Simple. Marry me. Yes. We got married quietly. My mother came. She looked at me. Regina, you look happy. I am happy, mother. But Charles is just ordinary, not handsome like Paul, not rich. That's true, but Charles sees me. Paul only saw my face. When my face changed, he left. Charles sees my heart. Hearts don't change. My mother cried. I wish I taught you this when you were young. That was 3 years ago. Now I am 42. More grey hair, more wrinkles. I am not beautiful anymore. But Charles looks at me like I am the most precious thing in the world. Last night I asked, do you ever wish I were prettier? No, Regina. Pretty women are everywhere. I see them every day. They don't make me feel anything. But you make me feel happy, safe, alive. That's better than pretty. Now I understand. Men don't want perfect women. They want peace. Someone who makes life easier, not harder. When you're always perfect, men feel pressure. I must be perfect too. It's exhausting. When you're real, men can relax. They can be themselves. That's what love is. I wasted 15 years trying to be a perfect wife. Lost everything. Then I stopped trying. Just lived. And I found everything. Real love, real happiness, real peace. Final message. If you want to find a good man, stop trying to be perfect. Stop hiding. Be tired when you're tired. Be honest. Be real. The wrong man will leave. The right man will stay. I am Regina. I am not perfect, but I am loved.